dear students, welcome back to the online classes of Gokuldas Public School. I am Manjusha Pal and you are studying maths with me. Okay, so let us start our today's lecture, in which we are going to discuss the remaining questions of exercise 3.1. In our previous lecture we have discussed question 1 of exercise 3.1. So everyone open page number 38. Everyone open book page number 38. Exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.1. Okay, open exercise 3.1. Question number 2. Check whether 12,925 is divisible by 5 or not using the divisibility test. So if you learn the divisibility rules, you can do this question very easily. Give reason to support your answer. Okay, so your number is, question number 2 we are solving. Okay, your number is, you have to check the divisibility by 5 for the number 12,925. Divisibility 5. So the rule for divisible by 5 is, if one's place digit is 5 or more, then your given number is divisible by 5. So here observe that at one's place, it is your number at one's place. The digit is at one's place, the digit is 5. So it is following the divisibility by 5 rule. Okay, so you can say that yes, 12,925 is divisible by 5 because the ones place digit of 12,925 is 5. So we have given our reason also. What is the reason? The ones place digit of 12,925 is 5. That is why we can conclude that this number is divisible by 5. Okay, let us move to question number 3. Question number 3 is, check if 1848 is divisible by 4 and 11 using the divisibility test. Okay, here again you have to check the divisibility by given numbers. Okay, and not by actual division process. Okay, so let us start doing. First of all let me write the rules for divisible by 4 and divisible by 11. I am writing the rules here. We are doing question number 3. I am writing the divisibility rules here. Divisible by 4. What is the rule for it? When you can say that this number is divisible by 4 if the last two digit of the given number is divisible by 4. So it is the divisibility rule for 4, right? If the last two digits of the given number is divisible by 4, then you can conclude that yes, your given number is divisible by 4. And the divisibility rule for number 11 is, when you can say that your given number is divisible by 11, so if the difference between the sums of alternate digits of the number is 0 or 11. It is the rule. I will explain you. If the difference between the sums of the alternate digits of the number 0 and 1. Okay. Now question number 3. Your given question is check if 1848 is divisible by 4 and 11 using the divisibility test. Given number is 1848, right? You want to check the divisibility by 4. So check divisibility by 4. So according to rule, if the last two digits of the given number is divisible by 4, so you have to check the last two digit is 48. 48 is the multiple of 4. So yes, you can say that 48 is divisible by 4. Divisible by 4. When you divide 48 by 4, you observe that it is exactly divisible. That is why you conclude that if 48 is divisible by 4, so the whole number 1848 is divisible by 4. Okay, now you have to check the divisibility for this number by 11. So let us do it. Check divisibility by 11. So for 11 you have to choose the alternate numbers, right? Means you have to skip one number. As your number is given number is 1848, so you will choose the alternate digit. Means you will skip, starts from the ones place, and you have to skip one digit. So when you skip one digit, you will get this 8, right? So you have to add both these numbers, 8 plus 8, and later the remaining two digits alternately, 4 then 1. So you will add this both. 8 plus 8 is 16. 4 plus 1 is 5. Now you have to find the difference of both these numbers. If the difference, find the difference now. Difference means you have to find the, you have to perform subtraction. Now 11 minus 5, 11 minus 5 is 11. So if when you add the alternate digits and their difference is 11 or 0, then you conclude that your given number is divisible by 11. Okay? Read the rule. If the difference between the sums of the alternate digit of the number is 0 or 11, then your number is divisible by 11. So here you observe that the difference of sums of alternate digit is 11. That is why you conclude that yes, 1848 is divisible by 11. What you have to do, again I am repeating, take the given number and choose two alternate digits. Alternate digits means you have to skip one digit between two. Okay, so you have to take two alternate digits and add, then take another alternate pair and add them. When you add them, you got answer. When you add 8 plus 8, you got 16. When you add 4 plus 1, you got 5. Now you have to find the difference of both the sum, right? It is your sum. You have to find the difference. If your difference 11 is your difference, the result of subtraction is called difference. So if your difference is 11 or 0, then you can conclude that yes, the given number is divisible by 11. Okay. So question number 3 is complete here. Now let us do question number 4. State true or false. State true or false. A number divisible by 12 must be divisible by 3 and 4. Okay. Question number 4. True and false. A number divisible by 12 must be divisible by 3 and 4. So yes, it is true statement because 12 is the multiple of 3 and 4 both the numbers, as 12 comes in the table of 3 and in the table of 4. In both the tables 12 comes. So yes, it is true that a number divisible by 12 must be divisible by 3 and 4. So part A is true. Next, B. A number divisible by 9 is also divisible by 18. So it is also true because 18 is the multiple of 9. So if any number is divisible by 9, then it must be divisible by 18 also. Now part C, a number divisible by 4 is always even. A number divisible by 4 is always even. Think about it, yes or no, it is true or not. Sorry, the part B. Observe it, a number divisible by 9 is also divisible by 18 is false. Okay. Part B is false. Now part C, a number divisible by 4 is always even. Yes or no? A number divisible by 4 is even, right? So yes, it is true. Now part D, a number divisible by 30 is also divisible by 2, 3 and 5. So yes, it is true, as 30 is the multiple of 2, multiple of 3 and multiple of 5. So yes, if a number is divisible by 30, then yes, you can divide it by 2, 3 and 5. So A is true, B is false, C is true, and the last one D is also true. Okay, now let us move to question number 5. Question number 5. Here, replace hashtag. In Instagram you use it, right? Those students who access Instagram know about it. It is hashtag. The symbol is hashtag. So replace hashtag in the number 187 hashtag by the smallest possible digit, so that the number formed is divisible by 3. Okay, so you want to know that what number will come at the place of this hashtag. You need to find the value of this hashtag. So solution, we know that here in your question you want to find the number formed. Okay, you want to find the number at the place of hashtag. Here in the given question, the number must be divisible by 3, right? So what is the divisibility rule for 3? If the sum of digits is multiple of 3, then you can say that the given number is divisible by 3, right? So we know that a number is divisible by 3. We know that a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of all digits all digits of given number is a multiple of 3, and here your given number is, therefore your given number is 187 hashtag. So I am adding all the digits, 1 plus 8 plus 7 plus hashtag symbol. Okay, must be divisible by 3, right? So should be a multiple of 3. Okay, now add all these numbers. 1 plus 8 plus 7. 1 plus 8 plus 7 equals to 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7 is 9 plus 7 is 9 plus 7 is 16, right? So 16 is not divisible by 3. So we can replace, but we want to form a number which is divisible by 3. So 1 plus 8 plus 7 is 16. 16 plus hashtag. At what number we should choose to replace this hashtag? If I put 1 here, so 16 plus 1 becomes 17. 17 is also not divisible by 3. Okay, then I cannot choose 1 here. If I take 2 at place of hashtag, 6 plus 2 is 18, and 18 is the multiple of 3. So yes, at the place of hashtag you can choose 2. You can choose 2 at the place of hashtag. 16, which is not a multiple of 3. Multiple of 3. So we want to make it the multiple of 3. So we can write hashtag as 2 to make it the multiple of 3. Okay. Hence the number 187. Hence the number is your final answer. So the number is 187, and we got 2 at the place of hashtag. Okay, this is how we do these questions. Okay, now question number 6 is homework for you all. Now we are doing question number 7. Question number 6 is homework. We are doing question number 'We remember all of you have to learn all the divisibility rules. Okay, the table I have drawn on the board, or I have provide you in the PDF. That table you must learn. Now question number 7. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 2, divisible by 10 and 6? So here one number is given, and for that number you have to check 3 divisibility. Divisible by 2, divisible by 10 and divisible by 6. So let us start doing this question. First let me write the divisibility rule. Divisible by 2. So if the ones digit of the given number is 0 or 2 or 4 or 8, 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. If the ones place is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then you can conclude that the given number is divisible by 2. Divisibility by 5. What is the rule? The rule is if ones place digit is 5 or 0, then the given number is divisible by 5. And divisibility by 10, the rule is if ones place digit of the given number is 0, then it is divisible by, you have to check the divisibility by 6. So if the given number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, divisible by 2 and 3 both, then only you conclude that the given number is divisible by 6. So here what you have to do, write number over here divisible by 2, 10 and 6. You should make column, okay, and as you have to check the divisibility, so you can write yes or no in the table, okay. So let us do for question number part A. 9504. Your number is 9504, 9504. Let us check the divisibility by 2. So your given number is 9504. The ones place digit is 4, and if the ones place digit is 4, then you can conclude that the number is divisible by 2. So yes, it is divisible by 2. Okay, now check the divisibility by 10. So if ones place digit is 0, here the ones place digit is 4, so you conclude that no, it is not divisible by 10. Now check for the 6. If the given number is divisible by 2 and divisible by 3 both, so yes, this number is divisible by 2. Now let's check it is divisible by 3 or not. So for checking the divisibility by 3, what you have to do, you have to add all the digits of the given number. So add it, 9 plus 5 plus 0 plus 4 equals to 9 plus 5 plus 0 plus 4. 9 plus 5 is 14, 14 plus 4 is 18. So again 18 is the multiple of 3. So this 18 is also, this whole number is divisible by 3 also. So this number is divisible by 2 and this number is divisible by 3 also. So yes, it will be divisible by 6. Okay, now part B. Part B is 5770. Now check the divisibility by 2. The ones place is 0. So yes, it is divisible by 2. The ones place is for 10. The ones place is 0. So yes, it is divisible by 10. Now for 6. This number is divisible by 2, right? Now check divisibility by 7. So you will add all the digits. Now find the answer. 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 plus 7. 12 plus 7 is 19. 19, right? 19 is not the multiple of 3. So it is not divisible by 3. So it is divisible by 2 but not divisible by 3. So no, it is not divisible by 6. Now for C, find the answer. Your given number is 2456. Now check the divisibility by 2. So you will check ones place If ones place is 6, then you conclude that yes, it is divisible by 2. Now check divisible by 10. So if ones place of digit is 0, but here ones place digit is 6, so no, it is not divisible by 10. Now check the divisibility for 6. So for checking for 6, you have to check for 2 and divisibility by 3 also. So check it. You will add all the digits. 2 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 5. 13, 13 plus 6 is 19, and 19 is not the multiple of 3. So again it is not divisible by 6. So likewise you have to do for all the numbers. I am doing one more for you. D 6990. Check its divisibility. As ones place is 0, so yes, it is divisible by 2. As ones place is 0, so yes, it is divisible by 10. Now check for the 6. We have checked for the 2, now check for 3. 6 plus 9. 6 plus 9 is 15. 15 plus 9. Add 15 plus 9. 24, and 24 is the multiple of 3. So yes, it is divisible by 3 also. So this number is divisible by 2 and divisible by 3 also. That is why we conclude that yes, it is divisible by 6 also. So E and F you have to do. So our today's class is over here. The remaining question we will complete in our next lecture. Till then, complete your copy. Be remember, question number 6 is your homework. I will provide you the PDF of this exercise to you. Complete your work, your copy, and bye students.